Hey, this is Tony at Big Moose in the parts department. Just wanted to show you some of the things that we have in stock that we, will be selling on the reg. We've got your oil, your formula. We've got your oil filters. We got your brake fluid, your fork oil. We got other accessories, little add-ons here. We've got, your custom spark plug wires. Got your air filter covers, windshields that we can demo for you. You bring your bike in, we can, you choose a size, we can demo it up for you and you can see how it looks, as well as our seats. We have a range of accessories. We've got your cup holders, we've got your upgrade headlamp lenses. We've got some luggage, not a lot to choose from right now, but more could be coming in. You want to upgrade your headlight to some LEDs. You also got your LED turn signals here, some lenses if you want to go with that smoke look. Over here we've got our display for Reinhardt and Vance & Hines for slip-on mufflers, cleaning supplies, because you want to make that bike really pop, really shine during the summer months. We've got a full range of products here and how to apply them. You got your covers, you got your phone mounts. Not a whole lot of those right now. We've got these mob mounts right here. These are a really big seller right now. I actually have one myself. Foot pegs, more foot peg stuff, brake levers, mirrors, more derby covers, and then a whole range of hand grips. Like we said, we got you guys, covered here in the parts department at Big Moose. So come on in and see what we got.